Bibo and the Bear Café. Today, Bibo the bear is playing make-believe. He is pretending to be a barista at the Bear Café. His first customer comes in. It's Mino the monkey. "An iced tea, please. Make sure it's cold," says Mino. Bibo prepares an iced tea and adds 1 ice cube in it. Sarah the sheep enters the Bear Café too. "A tea, please. Make sure it's hot," she says. Bibo prepares a hot tea and adds 2 spoons of sugar in it. But somehow, Sarah's hot tea is cold, and Mino's iced tea is hot. How is it possible, they wonder? "Oh, Bibo, you must have mixed up the orders," they giggle. Bibo chuckles and apologizes for the mix-up. Finally, Sarah and Mino exchange their cups. "Playing make-believe is too much fun," they say happily.
What is Bibo pretending to be at the Bear Café? Chef, barista, magician, waiter, barista. Who is Bibo's first customer at the Bear Café? Sarah the sheep, Mino the monkey, Tito the tiger, Lulu the lion, Mino the monkey. What does Mino the monkey order at the cafe? What does Mino the monkey order at the cafe? Hot tea, iced tea, coffee, lemonade, iced tea. What does Sarah the sheep order at the cafe? Hot tea, iced tea, milkshake, orange juice.